I heard your distress signal. Where are you? Wake up. He's here. He's here. No! Don't! I think I know that you're on steroids, but I am. No. Over me. Ow! Oh, my shoulder! My arm! Get out! Oh! Sergeant! Go, don't leave me! Oh, Jesus Christ. Jeez. Oh, fudge. Ah! Run! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, that's a little close.
Don't run with my friends. Don't.
Oh, direct hit.
Pin him down! Oh.
Gavin, that's close.
Ah. 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 Sir. Oh.
What happened? Are you shot? Gavin, you shot?
Ah. No. No.
Oh.
Oh. You die. Please don't get me. We need backup! Backup! Ah! We need backup now! Ugh. Stupid Megadart. Comms are dead. Ah!
I don't know if backup is ready. There's no backup ready.
My brother.
Gavin, we almost done?
You killed him! Why not? Sure. So now it's time for me.
Okay, 10 more seconds.
No! Yes.
That's too close, Colin.